Ayy, I'm on a mission, I'm flyer. I get that target acquired. Claiming you pass me, you liar. Watch how I'm speeding right by you. Burning rubber off your tires. Smoke clouds when I'm driving. No one can do it like I can. No one can do it like I can. No one can do it like whoa. Every day I'm touching road. Hellcat sitting low. I go 205. Just wait till I hit the nitro. I can't even let you get close. Jet fuel in the tank. Big blues in the bank. I had her up on my rank. They couldn't do it like I can. No one can do it in tank. Okay, okay. Mission flyer. Spitting fire.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great, not so sunshine state of Florida today. And look at this. It was like 80 degrees yesterday. It's like 60 degrees. Well, like 65. I'm freezing. But as you could see, finally got Max all done. Got everything put back together. And I finally finished installing the two-step. I put a two-step on it. Man, it was a pain in the butt. That was hard because of the spark plugs. And I did have the smart idea that I was going to take the engine harness and I was going to be like Streetcar Joe, and I was going to, not weld, I was going to solder all the wires on and do all that stuff. Yeah, but the doggone engine harness is like an 8-hour job. So you know what I did? Called up HHP and I bought the plug-and-play harness, which still took a long time because of getting to the spark plug and pulling them spark plug clips off. But today we're gonna go for an inaugural drive to see how it do with the new clutch and everything, get it all breaking in. But of course, gotta move the big Medusa on the Mayas out the way so we could take Maximus out. And as usual, guys, if this is your first time or not even your first time checking out the channel, definitely tap that subscribe button down below, bell icon, ding, for future uploads. Like, share, and comment on the videos. So we're going to go out and take this beast out on the road and see how it does. And then we're also going to try out the two-step. But I'm going to have to get somebody to hold the camera while I go outside and I try and activate the two-step and see if it works. I just want to show you guys the pollen. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but man, I don't know if you can see it. Everything is, maybe you can see from here, yellow. Let's see if you can see it on Eleanor. You see that? That's all pollen. It's completely, see that? Completely yellow. Look on Mako. See that? That's pollen. So I do have allergies. So if you see me outside sneezing, it's not the Rona, so leave me alone. Man, look at that. That's pollen. That's just from yesterday because it rained yesterday too. That's all pollen. What's happening, fellas? What? I said, what's that? Oh, you can't hear anything.
Yeah, I like the car, man. Sounds nice.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
I heard that bitch start up. I was like, whoa.
Yeah, I finally put it back together.
I thought it was that Jeep for a second. I was like, whoa, there's no way. Hold on. Something's not right. Hell yeah, bro. This thing's badass.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
You have a good day, bro.
You too. got my boy Latif I'm over here at the hobby shop on base, so I'm gonna test the two-step out to see if the two-step actually kicks in. So here we go. I just want to see if it kicks in or not.
Where you want the angle at?
Like on the side of the car. So it worked. So guys, I'm out here driving, testing it out. It feels good so far. The only thing I have, my check engine light came on, but it's for my oxygen sensor. I just looked it up, but I just replaced the other bank of my oxygen sensor. They were fine when I took them out, so I'm gonna drive around a little bit on them, see if it burns anything off that was on them, and then that way I'll see which one it is, and then I'll just replace it, because I don't like having my my check engine light. But it feels good. The new clutch feels good. It grabs, and it launches pretty good too. So not that I've done a hard launch or anything. I'm still in the braking in phase. So I don't want to do anything too crazy. Leaves out a good RPM. This clutch is it's still smooth, but it's just a little bit more grabby. As soon as you let it go, it wants to grab it and go, which is good. And the two-step works. Pretty good. So appreciate you guys rocking with me. I'm gonna drive around a little bit more, and then I'm gonna take it to the house. I was gonna wash it today, but as you guys, I'm not sure if you guys could see, it looks a little overcast, so I guess I could just wash it off and pull it in the garage and dry it off and go from there. But I gotta actually, I'm gonna take this over to my buddy Ronnie's house and bring his car in. We're gonna work on his car for a little bit, get that sorted out, and then get Max back out, and then go to a couple of testing tunes if possible before I go to the big showdown in Dallas. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to go to the track as much as I like before then, because I'm gonna be super busy these next couple of weekends. So I'm gonna try and get out to the track, get some launches and some stuff under my belt, but I don't want to do too much, because at the end of the day I don't want to break the car. So before I go to Texas, so if I break it, have any bookers? No bats in the cave, just gray hair. In Texas that's different, because I have a few races lined up that I'd like to do, but we'll see. But other than that, guys, working on my buddy's car, watch this, put him in his garage for a little bit, and then of course you guys are gonna have more Ram content coming. I still got to do an interior video of the Ram, let you see everything, the tech package, everything like that. But yeah, guys, I'm about to go and drive and drive around, so it's gonna be a little loud. So I'm not even sure how good you guys could hear me right now. So as usual, guys, I really appreciate you guys rocking with me. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon, ding, for future upload. Like, share, comment on the videos, and we're well on our way. Yeah. So until the next time, to the next video. Peace.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women buddy like a